legendary trucks struggle to survive extreme terrain, a new beast rises to change the game. This is the insane 6x6 monster built on the legendary GMC Sierra platform. It's not just a truck, it's a rolling fortress designed for the wildest adventures America can throw at it. At first glance, the design alone tells you this machine means business. The aggressive stance, massive fender flares, and triple axle setup instantly transform the Sierra into something extraordinary. 6 massive off-road tires dominate the ground, giving this truck an unstoppable presence. Heavy-duty steel bumpers, armored side panels, and rugged roof racks loaded with expedition gear make it look ready for deserts, mountains, and everything in between. Every inch of this build screams power, capability, and pure American truck culture. Step inside, and the experience shifts from rugged beast to high-tech command center. The interior blends toughness with surprising comfort. Premium leather seating, a wide digital dashboard, and a large infotainment screen create a cockpit that feels modern and powerful at the same time. Navigation systems, off-road camera views, and smart connectivity features help the driver control this massive machine with confidence, whether cruising highways or crawling through rocky trails. Now let's talk about what truly makes this truck legendary: the power. Most high-performance Sierra builds rely on a massive V8 engine delivering incredible horsepower and torque. That power is distributed across all 3 axles, giving the truck unbelievable traction in mud, sand, snow, or rock. Reinforced suspension and heavy-duty off-road components allow it to climb obstacles that would stop most vehicles instantly. It's not just big, it's engineered to conquer. Technology and safety are also part of the story. Advanced driver assist systems, surround view cameras, and intelligent traction management help drivers control this giant machine with precision. Even though it looks like a military vehicle, modern technology ensures it remains stable, predictable, and surprisingly comfortable to drive. In the world of extreme trucks, builds like this represent the ultimate symbol of American engineering and adventure. Custom 6x6 conversions like this can cost well into 6 figures, making them some of the most exclusive off-road vehicles ever created. But for true explorers, the ability to go anywhere is worth every dollar. So the big question is this the ultimate American expedition truck? With unstoppable power, jaw-dropping design, and extreme off-road capability, it just might be. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. And tell us in the comments, would you drive this insane 6x6 beast into the wild?